Welcome to Get 100 Marks. In today's class, we are going to discuss about types of e-commerce or e-business models. These are six prominent e-commerce business models which are in use now. Business to business model, consumer to consumer model, consumer to business to administration, sometimes called as business to government model, consumer to administration or consumer to government model, business to consumer model. Let's see each of them in detail. Business to consumer model. This model consists of sales of goods and services to the general public. Customers or consumers can visit the website and purchase goods online using credit or debit cards and any other payment modes. Here you can see from the picture, customer can place an order through a website of a business organization. Business organizations in reply, in case of availability of the supplies, they will dispatch the product to the customers. That's the transaction. Some of the prominent examples are Snapdeal, Paytm, Amazon, and eBay. Next comes consumer to business model. This is exactly the reverse of business to consumer model. Here in C2B model, consumers are becoming sellers and business organizations are becoming buyers. Consider a consumer or a customer is having any product or services which they could sell it to business organization. They can post that in a website. When business organization come across these products or services, they hire them or they buy the product. In turn, they pay money back to the customers. Few examples of C2B model are customers involved in freelancing, customers writing blogs for business organizations for the promotion activities. Fiverr is one of the prominent example of freelancing websites. Business to business model. Here, both buying and selling is happening between two business organizations. A well-known example is a business organization who's a manufacturer selling the products to wholesalers. Examples of B2B business are Alibaba, Trade India, and IndiaMart. Coming to consumer model. Here, businesses takes place between two consumers, where one consumer sells an item through an online auction, while the other consumer purchases the item by offering the highest bid. C2C is sometimes also called as C2B2C because the deal is done between the consumers but through a business organization which is like OLX or eBay, which acts as an intermediate. Business to administration model or business to government model. Here, the transaction happens between a business organization and a government. A prominent example which we can quote is the service provided by TCS to government of India for other issues. Other example you can quote is Akela, which is a software company that provides government software solutions and public access to government services for permitting, planning, licensing, public health, and so on. Next is consumer to administration or consumer to government model. Here, the transactions are happening between a consumer and a government. Few of the examples we can quote is the electronic tax filing which consumers does and payment of health services which is happening through online. This model encompasses electronic transactions online between individuals and the public administration. This helps the consumers to post their queries and request information regarding public sectors directly from their local government or authorities. Next is the peer-to-peer model. The main purpose of peer-to-peer marketplaces is to connect people with individuals who have goods they want to sell. Peer-to-peer payment systems have become very important, allowing individuals to sell products directly to consumers and to receive payment directly. And notable examples are Bitcoins, ride sharing, and GiveUp platform. Kiva platform is a money lending platform which you might have heard about.